Alright, this is my new lightning cable that I got from Marshall's. Marshall sells lightning cables for about $11 to $13 depending on how long they are. This one's a 6-foot cable, or 1.8 meters, and that's the name of the company, I guess, Charge and Sync, and officially sponsored by the NFL. So you can charge and sync, works with your iPhone, and it's got a Steelers logo on it. How's about that? We're from Pittsburgh here. So Marshall, $6. So I guess this was on clearance because I don't know why. And yeah, I mean a 6-foot cable when everybody else is selling 3-foot cables for $9, and I get it for $6 or yeah, or whatever, you know what I'm saying. So I had a cable from Five Below, and it was very much like this. It was not quite as long. It wasn't as thick as this. See how this like has that kind of flat laying tapeworm shape to it. I like that. So that's pretty cool. And the great thing about this is that I bought it at Marshall's. If you're from Pittsburgh, you'll know exactly where. I bought it from a Marshall's that's within stone's throw or spitting distance of Wahlburgers. And we all know that the Wahlburgers are not Steeler fans. They're Patriot fans. And so it was pretty satisfying to buy something with a Steelers logo of it so close to those non-Steeler people. So this is interesting. So it looks like this slides up and down here for some reason. I guess so you can keep it in complete visibility wherever you are. And yeah, let's see. It's a pretty long cable, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty durable cable. I just bought this so I didn't have to take the one that came with my iPhone out to the car and back, and now I can have one set up at home. I have an adapter so I can plug this into USB into an outlet, and that's that. So yeah, so it's pretty basic, but for $6, how can you beat it? I hope you guys can find them in your town, and you know, if you're a New England Patriot fan, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm not. So yeah, why don't you buy one of these things for $6 if you got a chance to do so, and hopefully you'll have a Steelers logo on it. Yins, guys. Let's go Steelers.